Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for social media management. So let's start. First, open your Monday.com account. And here, go to your workspaces and find the workspace where you are going to do your social media management. After that, add an item to your workspace by clicking on this add option. And in this window, select this option, choose from templates. In here, you'll be able to see several templates that you can use on your workspace. But in this video, we are going to find the template that you can use for social media management. Simply use the search bar and search for social media management. Now you can see this social media planner. Just click on this template and here, simply click on this use template button. Now you can see that this is the social media planner template that we get from the template center. It has all the things that you need for managing your social media. You can see the dates, posting schedules, URL, Facebook posting status, Twitter posting status, Instagram posting status, Pinterest posting status, LinkedIn posting status, and last updated. Here you can see everything you can use in your social media management. You can make this group for every week or every month. You can see that this template only have until day 7. So you can add an item if you want. Or if you want to duplicate this group, simply click on this three dots icon and in this menu, just click on this duplicate this group option. Here you can change the name of this group. For example, this is for week 1 and this is for week 2. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to use Monday.com for social media management, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.